Let's see another very interesting experiment. Here we are going to demonstrate that more transpiration occurs from the lower surface of a dorsiventral leaf as compared to the upper surface. Means we are going to prove that there is more transpiration from the lower surface of the leaf as compared to the upper surface of the leaf. So we are going to use a very special strip, that is, remember the name, it is dry cobalt chloride strip. Right? We are going to use dry cobalt chloride strip. Now, one thing very special about this dry cobalt chloride strip is that it is going to turn pink when it is going to come in contact with water. So, we are going to use this strip on both the surface of the leaf. Means we are going to place the strip on the upper surface of the leaf also and on the lower surface of the leaf also. So, as you will see, when we are going to place the strips, we will see that the strip that is placed on the lower surface of the leaf, it is going to turn pink in a much lesser time as compared to the strip that was placed on the upper surface of the leaf, right. So, why this happens? As I told you that this dry cobalt chloride strip changes its color, it turns pink when it comes in contact with water. So, it turned pink in the case when we place that strip on the lower surface of the leaf. It means on the lower surface of the leaf, there was more transpiration. So, hence by this experiment, we have proved that there is more transpiration which occurs at the lower surface of the leaf as compared to the upper surface of the leaf. And what is the reason for that? Because we have already studied that the stomatal pores by which this transpiration process occurs, by which this loss of water occurs, they are more in number on the lower surface of the leaf than on the upper surface of the leaf. So, this experiment proves that there is more transpiration on the lower surface of the leaf. And why it is so? Because there are more stomata on the lower surface of the leaf as compared to the upper surface of the leaf. So, remember, for this experiment you just need leaves, right. On one side you need to use this cobalt strip on the upper surface and need to use this cobalt strip on the lower surface also. The surface which is going to show faster change in color means that surface is going to show more rate of transpiration, and this experiment proves that there is more transpiration occurring at the lower surface of the leaf because of the presence of more stomata at the lower surface.